Allopathy doctors in India ने war छेड़ रखी है on all traditional systems of medicine. The latest under attack is an Adivasi woman called Yanong Jemong Lego. Lego comes from Arunachal Pradesh. She practices plant-based medicine. She runs 80 self-help groups where she teaches people how to forage herbs from the forest and how to grow a medicinal garden in your own home. She's a Padma Shri awardee also. So why is she under attack? One, she's not a doctor. And secondly, she claims that her herbs can treat a lot of illnesses. Now, there are no clinical trials for this claim. There's only anecdotal evidence. Now, fair enough. Medical claims need evidence. Baat sahi hai. But the question nobody is asking is that the tribal medicine systems have existed long before allopathy reached the hills of Arunachal, and these tribes were thriving and surviving. And secondly, medicines, allopathy medicines also don't come out of thin air. I'll give you an example. You've all heard of aspirin, I'm sure, the popular painkiller. It came from willow bark. Now, it is not that a scientist sitting in a laboratory one day thought that, oh, I have pain, let me check willow bark, it will help me with pain. ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Ancient Sumerians, Greek, Egyptians had well documented the use of willow bark for pain management. Then in 1763, an English clergyman called Edward Stone presented the first formal study on it. उसके बाद acetyl salicylic acid was isolated, and by 1899 Bayer had a trademark on aspirin, and they launched one of the most blockbuster medicines in the history of pharma. The patent has been off for more than 100 years. Even then, the generic medicine does revenues of anything between $2 to $3 billion. And this is not the only example. Malaria, cinchona tree. The roots of chemotherapy, modern chemotherapy, come from Pacific Yew. Hundreds of such examples exist, but pattern एक ही है. Nature creates, indigenous people listen because they are closer to nature. Then the laboratories come in to investigate, and after that the industry swoops in to make patents. Plants cannot be patented. Now this is where the government needs to come in. First, they need to protect Lego and her tradition of herbal medicine. And secondly, infuse more money in research and clinical trials of these herbs. The eventual goal is not a war between allopathy and traditional systems. The goal is patient welfare. Who knows, the next life-saving drug may be growing as a root or a bark and only a tribal elder knows about it. Na? Choose curiosity, don't give in to dogma.